Every agent tutorial shows you a stateless chatbot, cool for demos, useless in production. Real agents need to remember conversations, track preferences across sessions, and manage context windows intelligently. Here's how Pydantic AI handles memory and exactly where you need to build your own. Pydantic AI doesn't magically remember conversations. You pass message history explicitly. This is a feature, not a bug. You control exactly what context the agent sees. Here's the pattern. First run produces a result. You call result.all_messages to get the full conversation. On the next run, you pass that as message_history. The agent now has full context of what was said before. The explicit control means you can also filter history, inject context, or reset state deliberately. You're in charge, not the framework. For production, you need to persist conversations between sessions. 3 strategies cover most use cases. In-memory is for development and testing. Just accumulate messages in a list. Database persistence is for production. Load messages from your database, run the agent, save only the new messages back. This way you never resave the full history, just the delta. Redis is for high-throughput systems with session expiration. Store the serialized messages with a TTL, load them on each request, update after each run. Pydantic AI provides model messages type adapter for serializing and deserializing messages to and from JSON, so storage is straightforward. Message history is short-term memory. For long-term memory, you need a vector database. The pattern is to give your agent 2 tools, remember and recall. The remember tool stores a fact in your vector database with semantic embedding. The recall tool searches past interactions using vector similarity. The agent decides when to remember and when to recall based on context. You can also combine this with a graph database for relationship memory, storing not just facts but how entities relate to each other. This is how production agents build genuine memory over time. Sometimes your agent needs to maintain mutable state during a conversation, like a shopping cart that grows as the user adds items. The cleanest pattern: define a Pydantic state model outside the agent and give tools that can read and modify it. The state lives in your application, not inside the agent. The agent's tools are the only interface to that state. This separation makes the state easy to inspect, persist, and reset. You can serialize it at any point. You can pass it to a different agent. You can test your state transitions independently of the LLM. Every LLM has a context window limit. As conversations grow, you'll hit it. The naive approach, just pass all messages, breaks when the conversation gets long. You need smart truncation. The right strategy: always keep the system prompt. Then add messages from most recent to oldest, stopping when you approach the token budget. This preserves the most relevant context while respecting the model's limits. Estimate tokens before calling the model. Most tokenizers give you accurate counts. A rough approximation: 1 token per 4 characters for English text. Build your truncation logic once, test it thoroughly, and apply it consistently.